Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open a car door when key is inside. Firstly, use the mobile app if your car supports it. Most modern vehicles from brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW or Hyundai and Tesla have companion apps with remote unlock features. Just open the official app linked to your car, log in with your credentials, and look for the remote unlock or lock or unlock in the dashboard, then tap the button to unlock the door remotely. Secondly, try using a long wire, which is a manual unlock. This is a common DIY for older vehicles with manual locks or visible locks roads buttons. You'll need a long wire and a duct tape. Just create a hook on the one end of the wire and carefully insert wire between the top of the door and the frame near the weather stripping and wiggle it down toward the lock mechanism or unlock button. Hook and pull up or push the button to unlock. For horizontal locks, roll down the window slightly using duct tape, loop it, stick it to the glass and pull down slowly to the side the wire goes through. And finally, if nothing works, just call for help. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.